পোর্টালে আমি এখন পোস্ট করব। কাজ করবে কি আল্লাহ জানে। দেখেন তো পোস্ট গেছে একটা ফ্লুয়েন্ট কমিউনিটিতে, আসছে চ্যাট। আপনি আমাকে যেটা করবেন, টেলিগ্রামে আমাকে হচ্ছে জাস্ট ইয়েগুলো দিয়ে দিবেন। Hi guys, so I start in 5 minutes. So please allow me some time. So I'm just waiting for a few more people. I already see there's 12 people. So in our portal or here at YouTube, just ask, leave a message for anything, and then I will, answer all of those questions. So it will be short. You guys already know how what is fluent community and everything. I will just share a few of the notes, and okay, yeah, you can be here in YouTube or in the portal. That does not matter. Okay, I can see all the comments. Okay, my team is here, so they will forward all the questions to me here. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, just 1-2 minutes, then we'll start. Okay, so yeah, I think we can start. So yeah, I'm officially starting. Hi guys, so this is Jewel. You guys already know me, and I'm the founder and CEO of WPManageNinja. And basically, we build WordPress plugins for businesses. And we are currently, I think, almost powering 1 million websites, that the businesses that use our plugin. And Fluent Community is our latest plugin that many of you are using this plugin for months. Personally, in our company, we use Fluent Community for last 1 year, and we run all of our team communication and everything within this plugin. So basically, all the meeting notes, team communication, everything we do that with Fluent Community. So it's a really we are one of the very big user of this plugin. In the last couple of months, I have shared many things about the product and the vision with community, but I will just give you an overall thought about why we are building it, what you can expect. Do we really need it? So that's kind of thing. Maybe I can suggest you if you should buy or not. Okay. So yeah, let's start with let me share my screen. Uh, I think I will share this one. Can you guys let me know if you can see my screen? Okay, awesome. So yeah, so friend community, and basically we in the WordPress market, there has kind of no super performant community plugin in the market now. We have like say BB uh, and that is kind of very old, and uh, if you want to scale that, or if you are using one of the fork like body boss, then how it works, and you need lots of server spaces, and it's not as fast as it should be. So when it's a community plugin, it should be like super fast. People should get the same experience as like say Facebook or Twitter, something like that. Okay. And that's kind of like we are doing that. We This thing we were missing in our in the WordPress space. Something like we are very inspired by Circle. I can say it publicly even. Like I really love Circle, like how fast this is, how feature is, how simple this is. And I think the community platform should be like this. So if you are not comfortable with WordPress, maybe you should use Circle. So that's the kind of thing. Like if you so that's my a line. If you really want a good software for your community, then Circle is the best choice. But if you are in WordPress space, then I will say that Fluent Community is the answer. So uh, let me show you our community here. Okay, so this is our community plugin that you are using, and you will see like this plugin is super fast. We actually worked so many hours to optimize it, to scale it. Even we tested with like 500,000 post comments, 100,000 users, and see how where we are breaking and everything. So that is Fluent Community. And I am really really happy that you guys you know helped us to build this plugin. Okay. uh, and give us all the all the feedbacks, all the feature requests. And today, we released a new version, and I will show few features that is very new. Uh, and maybe I should skip that. Maybe I should more talk about the product and the future vision. So this is the very first version of uh, Fluent Community, and you see that it has a standalone view. So you most probably you cannot like customize it. uh, you cannot give your own skins and everything, but that will change. So basically our goal is actually that it should be a part of your website. So definitely it should have like your own navigation in that space, your site colors and everything. And I am hoping that we can do that within the next 1 2 months, because that will take some time. It's a bit complicated in technical side, so that's why we are doing some R&D. We already have the solution, but we are looking for more robust solution that we can do. Okay. So that's kind of one of our goal, like what we can do that with. What's the next big thing that we are working. The another big thing is that we are working, that is the course. Okay. So I think let me so in our portal we are not using course, so kind of now course are really really simple in our community. And it's super fast too, and that was the goal. So in the next versions we will add more features of the course. So maybe just let me be clear here, like we never want to don't want to compete with like LearnDash, Lifter or Tutor. So those are like full-fledged code solution. But as for our R&D, like many most of the people don't need lots of features or lots of control in the course. They want like, okay, this is my course, these are my lessons, these are my sections, I want to sell it, or monetize it, or I want to give it my community users. So that is something uh, you can do currently with the course, but definitely we will improve it. We will add more features. But when I say like add features, these features always think when we will add a feature, think about a feature, then the first thing is like, does will will this feature compromise our overall main thing, like can it be scaled, can it keep our portal super fast. So super fast, super performance, scalable, that's the main goal of this product. So that is, we will always check that. And if that fulfill that is I did not mention earlier in anywhere, like how it will work with fluency, because most of you. And let's go to like say fluency contacts. So one thing I will show you first. Let's say you want to do some bulk action, like let's say you filter some contact, and now you want to add those contact to a specific course, a specific space, and you can do that just a single click. So add fluent community space membership. So sorry, there are like this let's say I want to see all the community members of fluent community, and then I can select those, and then I can do like fluent community add to space. So let's say, so these are the users, those are like fluent community member. I have another community that I want to add those users to that community, so I can just do that. Codes, you can do that like remove from space, those type of things, you can easily do that. Let's say you want to send an email to a to the specific course. Give me a moment, guys, maybe you cannot see my screen. uh, Let me reshare again. Can you see my screen? Okay, yeah. So I was, yeah. So let's say you want to create a, you know, community members, and I can easily do that. Something like say by advance, and then Fluent community space or course membership includes in, Fluent community, and yeah. So there's 1,100 people who are member of the Fluent community. They will get the email. So that is something like we are working with everything that our product work together. Another feature that we are working, that is like how about keep the membership based on Fluent CRM tag. So let's say you have a tag or in a list. I want to give access to that specific discussion, specific space, specific course. Uh, so all good. Uh, Not sure. I'm not. Uh, yeah, I can just stop sharing screen. I will start sharing again. So that is something I let's say I want to manage the space accesses with my Fluent CRM tag, and that is something we are working, and that will be definitely that will be shipped. uh, so that's the idea. So the if I summarize this, like our product vision, that is we will always work on to keep the plugin kind of the fastest plugin in the market. uh, and we'll make sure that it does not break your wallet for the server and everything. So that is that's the goal actually. And that we are also using it, and this is the very first product that is we were using to manage this product, to manage everything, to communicate with you, to build that product using that product. So something like when I was using very extensively, say like 5-6 hours a day to communicate with you, and then I see that okay, I need those features, then we will add that. One feature that we have added, that is let me just show that quickly. Okay. uh okay, can you see my screen? Yeah. Okay. So one feature that is I was thinking about, that is like how I can so when in the in community I need like these topics. So for say a topic that could be like say feature request for something like that. So I added that feature. So in the next version, in this version, you will find that. So let's say I on these features here, and I love it or find it. So most probably these are testing data, but I can just do that here in the manage topics. Let's say I want something like that, say feature request, or say tips. Okay. And then when I go back to that spaces, let's say general, then I can then user can select, okay, this is a feature request. So that is something I was missing when I was using that, because when you guys actually giving me lots of adding lots of posts, it would be super good for me if I could filter those, like okay, these are the feature request I have to work, these are tips, and these are something an article or share tips, something like that. That would be really good. So that then we build that feature. Another feature is like I will use that feature, that is something like I want to add a like welcome message here for say logged out user, logged in user. Now we can do that. So we needed that feature, because when we will launch this, then we will add that welcome banner to buy the Fluent community plugin. So now you can see like okay, for welcome banner for logged in user, what message you want to show, how many call to action button you can add multiple call to action button, like it will be something like that. And then for logged out user, what you want to show that. So every features you actually see here, most of the cases, like we found that based on your feedback, based on what when we are using it, how which problems we are facing, and exactly we added those features. So that is something like we will always do that, and we will always run the extra mile for you to add those features. So that is something we are kind of always work, and we will always support you. Now, let's say, uh, do you really need this plugin or something? It's a hard question. So I always, tell my friends, my customers, like, if you need the plugin, if you see that this plugin will add value to your business, to your agency, uh, something, definitely you should give a thought. See our launch lifetime deal, and then purchase one of the package. And But if you see, like, I'm not sure, like, if you will need it or not, maybe you should skip it. So that is something. Also, another thing is, like, I'm not promising anything, like, we will add lots of these features. So whatever you are seeing, these are like the core features. And just remember, we'll only add features that will not compromise our main goal, like, say, performance, speed, on something like that. And that is the main goal. So based on two things, you can definitely purchase that. And now I will you know disclose the price, discuss about the price. It's a bit crazy, but uh, we have a very, very special offer for our beta users, for you guys, because you guys helped us to uh, get this point. Without you guys, we could never build this product. So that's the main thing. So before that, let's go to our competitor pricing. I will not say BuddyBoss is your competitor, but let me share my screen. Yeah. So BuddyBoss is not our competitor. I think in the next, the way we currently have, if you see the core features, so BuddyBoss is kind of 100%. It's a fork of BuddyPress. Like, still they still use the 90% code of BBPress, and so how that work. But this price is, I think, you know, uh, it's expensive, and definitely it makes sense, because uh, everyone don't need a community. And but in recent times, we see that lots of people actually using that, and that's why circle, school, those platforms are getting so popular. And with the as we have the built-in LMS, so that's something. And if you user of circle, that's also crazy. Like, even in monthly pricing, it's like $99 per month. And if make any revenue here, then you have to pay like 20%, 2%, or 4% transaction fee. So that's a lots of money. If you make when you make lots of money, you'll have to give lots of money. So yeah, it's a very I think premium space for circle, when it's come to a community and everything. And now, let me introduce the pricing for Fluent Community. So uh, the pricing for Fluent Community is, let me just uh, write it here. Okay. So yeah. So the idea of Fluent community, what will be our future price, the annual price. Don't worry, guys, we have lifetime deal, no problem. But what will be the annual price? So hopefully, after this deal, after this successful launch and everything, we will it will be similar, like, say, 129 per year per single site. Okay. And then we will have, like, I think 249 per year for, say, 5 site. and then we will have like 499 to 599 per year for 15 site. So that's the price after the deal. Our annual price will look like, and I think that's kind of really not so expensive in terms of the market and everything, because it's on 199. It's like $15 per month for a personal site. Okay. The LTT price for the public, not for you. Again, for public users, the LTT price that will launch in the next kind of after 1 to 2 week after this deal, and that will be lifetime and this will be 699 per lifetime, and the sites will be the same. For our beta users, okay, the price will be actually this. Let me just show you in our beta users community right now. Okay. So, okay, so this is the private page right now. So our price will be here. So what we did actually, we did just made it double. Like for 2 sites, it's 199, 10 sites 399, and 30 sites 699. So the same price what the public will get, but you will get the double. But just for beta users, and I think next 1 week, that will be like for 100 sites. And screen share now. Oh, sorry. Give me a moment. Okay, so for for 100 sites, you will get the 100 site, and you can pay like monthly for 10 months, $100 per month, and that is, I think, no brainer. Because you can pay like for 10 months $100. If you pay at once, the same price actually, 999. So if you have money, lots of money right now, you can definitely pay us once. That will help us. But for you, so 100 sites, that's $100 per month for 10 months, and that's kind of the pricing. So yeah, so just I suggest, if you decided to buy, just buy which is available, which is suit for you. And if you decide you don't need that, so maybe you can skip that. So that's kind of the pricing and everything. I think you guys already started purchasing with the URL fluentcommunity.co at discount deal. I started getting the emails for purchasing. Yeah, so, and that's kind of the whole deal is. So just to be clear, if you're a beta tester, if you miss this deal, so we will keep it like 1 week, and it will be private. Will not share any link. I also request you, please don't share the link outside the community. And then after this, the price kind of will be the double in terms of license side. So all it will be reverted to on site, 5 site, 15 site. And we may not keep this. Even if we keep this split payment, it will be like 50 site. Okay, so that's the kind of deal. I already started seeing all of the you know sales notification in my phone. And yeah, so that's it. So like someone just purchased 100 site anyway. So yeah, thank you guys. I will answer all the questions in our community post, so the post I have shared. But if you have any question here, right, in the YouTube, I can answer that. You can just type here, and I'll be here like next couple of minutes, like say 10 minutes, and I will try to answer all the questions here. Okay, so yeah, let me share the link right now in the here. Yeah, Prema, can you share the link in our community post as a comment? Okay, so yeah, if you guys have any question, I will just answer that. Okay, so when will the next version released? Yeah, we already released the new version. So that if you purchase that now, you will get the latest version. So with all the new features, everything. I did not get time to announce the what's new in the next version, but I will do that. That described in the yeah. So sorry, I missed that. And that's like the 10 site. That's like I think 399, right, Prema? Yeah, 399. But after this deal for the beta users, it will be reverted back to for only for 5 sites. Yeah, thank you guys. Okay, so yeah, Laurent, yeah, yeah. So we will release. So the full app actually built on top of REST API, but we will have the PHP API. We release some, API and hooks, everything, to you guys, and they. So that will be like we will document those function and utility function, everything. And also I will, so after this live event, I will contact with WP Fusion, then Flowmatic, and all the other third-party plugins, automation plugins. So I will give them a copy and help them to build the integration. So hopefully within 1 week, you guys will have the lots of integration from the third party, especially from WP Fusion. I love that guy. I love we have a very good partnership with Fluent CRM and everything, with all the Fluent products basically. So yeah, yeah, but sure. So there will be no, single site license. So single site license will be 199 after this, deal. After this, 1 week period for the after the beta tester. So the initial, pricing for single site, that will be like 199. So that's the starting price. But for beta testers, it's like we're just doubling the license amount. uh, is lifetime, so another question is the lifetime deal, let's say for 2 sites, 199 per month, or for lifetime? Oh, so that is per lifetime. So 199, 2 site, you don't have to pay again. Okay, so you will get the lifetime access for update, supports, everything. Oh yeah, hey Manoj. So how about the app? So yeah, so app, something like I did not wanted to discuss here, because we are still talking with a very good mobile development team. So most probably we will partner with them. We will make sure that it's the best in the class app, native app for for Android as in iOS, that supports all the features and everything. But that will be something different. Like, but we will definitely try to give a deal for you guys. But that part we don't want to manage that, because we are not expert with mobile application. We are expert in website. So that with WordPress, so that we want to do, but we will partner up with them. We'll help them to build the mobile app, and then you guys can use that app. Yeah, so another question is actually, if I delete on site, yeah, definitely. And also just to let you know, like, we also have like option for for your staging site and everything. So we when you install on a staging site, we don't count that as a active license. Okay. Another question: will we get the update today so we can test it out? Uh, so the free version, you will get that update. So the free version is already available on WordPress.org actually. And if you are using the Word version, then I will give you the update. So definitely you will get that update, but the pro version you will not get the update. Okay. Uh, so yeah, so this is the price. That's the final price. We will not alter that, and definitely after 1 week. So next week, end of the next week, the price will be the same, but the license amount will be the half. So 2 site will be on site, 10 site will be 5 site, and 30 site will be 15 site. So that's the kind of the final price. So for the beta tester, we are just doubling the license amount. Yeah, so 50 site LTD. Yeah, Lauren. So now you can get the for $999, $999. You are getting the 100 sites. Actually, you are it's like the 50 site LTD, but you are getting the kind of double. It's 100 site. Hey, Jonathan. Yeah, nice to see you. Thank you. Thank you. Nice to see you here. Okay. Hey, Robin. If you want to update later on the beta testers and to keep with the same price, you will get on site instead of 2 site. So that's kind of the deal. Like if you buy now, you are just getting the double. That's it. Hey George, thank you. Yeah, I can see all of you guys. It's really nice to see all the comments and everything. Everything. Okay. Yeah, so if you guys find any bug or portal, and we will make sure we'll fix that as soon as possible. Fluent CRM Ltd. In the other day, I was talking with my support lead and my CMO, and like we get like every month with like 100 requests for Fluent CRM Ltd. And to be honest, let me tell you guys, the development for Fluent CRM, that's kind of our the biggest team. It's really complicated and it takes lots of investment. It has lots of planning cost for Fluent CRM. And we are growing. Fluent CRM is growing really really great. I think it's the most popular right now. It beat the, I think, uh, Jetpack CRM. So Jetpack CRM was the biggest in the market. They have like 40,000 active installation. Now we have like 50,000 active installation, and like I think we got many customers from Jetpack because their active installation is now 30,000. So they lost like 10,000 active installation. So yeah, so I am still talking with them. Like if the idea was actually like if you ever give a deal for Fluent CRM, it will really hurt our ARR. But if you give, that will be super expensive, and I don't want to do that. But still, I hear you guys. I will talk with my CMO and my execs again and see if there. But the possibility is really not big. Uh, yeah, I see you guys are talking Fluent CRM Ltd right now. So let's talk about the Fluent community. Uh, s- uh, okay. Yeah. Hey, Milan. Yeah. Let's talk about the Fluent community. We'll talk about the Fluent CRM Ltd. In the community. So it's lots of hit right now with everything with Fluent community. Yeah. Hey, Milan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, activation is not working. Yeah, I will after this deal live, I will check that. I will yeah. uh, hey Mark, thank you so much. It was really nice to meet in WordCamp Europe, in Porto, as well as in Athens. Thank you for come here. Okay. Okay. So yeah, so just to be clear, like, look, the app, mobile app, that will not be built by us, so that will not be included in the LTD. So that is something, that company actually do, but we'll try to make it like as affordable as possible. So if they want like a lifetime deal for our initial deal lifetime users, then definitely I will try that from them. So that is something, I want to work with a third party company that we are still talking. uh, but we are not expert, no expert in mobile application, and I don't want to handle that. Okay, so what kind of server spec? So server spec, that is, we are running our community. We have like 3,000 users, most probably 3,000. And it's super busy, our own community, and we are running that server, I think most probably like 20 or $30 per month VPS from VPS, and we are hosted with xCloud, but you can use any control panel. I would suggest just use a VPS, not like a shared hosting, just VPS, and use that. And we try to make it optimize as much as possible. Subfolder or a domain name, yeah, we fixed that bug. You can now install that on a multi-site. You can now install that on a subfolder, and you can customize the URL right now. Yeah. Hey Bastin, thank you so much. It's nice to see. uh, okay, let me just announce how many copies it got sold here. Okay. I think I'm not sharing my screen, right? Yeah, I'm not sharing the screen. So okay, wow. So yeah, you guys, like, we are 35 plus people already bought it. Well, thank you so much, guys. So it's like 100 people, and 35% of you already purchased it. We even did not send an email or anything. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, on request, guys, if you are on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. We have lots of great content. We will, in the next couple of months, we will release lots of tutorial tips about the community and everything. So please subscribe to this channel. That will be really really helpful. My team actually send me this note here that to subscribe it. Yeah. Uh, Uh, okay. Let me share the link again. So this is the link that you can go and purchase right now. And yeah, hey Mark. So about the roadmap, yeah, I will release a roadmap most probably tomorrow. So we our whole team was super busy with everything, and that is something we will do. So tomorrow you will have a roadmap. You can add your feature request and everything. Yeah, translation is ready. So the front end portal, uh, everything you interact, or your users interact, those are uh, actually, I think, 99% translatable. And currently we have like Spanish translation. Yeah, maybe George or someone actually give you the translation that's included. Yeah, 99% translatable. The admin panel at the slash WP admin, that's a new screen that's not translatable yet, but that will be. And if we miss any translation, we'll definitely add that. Just one thing I want to also add, you guys, that is, last week we worked on accessibility. That is, in our company we take this very seriously. Currently we are working with all the product team to make it accessible as much as possible. And I can share that it's 100% accessible already. So it's so there is many level of accessibility score. So We have couple of warning for AAA, so you don't need kind of AAA. Normally, complex big site don't need AAA, but it's double A, all the double A, compliance, everything. If I, compare with the market leaders, let's say Circle, our score is better than Circle. Okay. Can you share with you the translation? It can reach more users. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. You can, you can send me the translation file. We'll attach that for but for the free version, you can go to the WordPress.org, and in the translation project, you can upload your own file, and you will be author of the translation. You can manage that. You will get the credit and everything. So that will be really helpful. Okay. So, okay, anything? Okay, so public date. Most probably, we will launch the public date. Let me just see the calendar right now. So our idea is we will keep that for 1 week. Most probably, we'll launch that after 15. 15 will be the last date for this deal, and after 15, then we will launch the publicly. So these are like the private. So again, I request you, please don't you know share this deal URL to publicly to any. You can share with your friend or someone, but please don't in any public forum or public group. Please don't share that. I We wanted to give this deal specifically for our beta testers, and I think they deserve it. Okay. Uh, yeah, just just send me a message on the community if you did not get the confirmation on email or anything. I will contact you back and solve the problem. Hey Jim, thank you so much, and nice to see you here. Will that work as a progressive web app? If not, by they have a third-party plugin. So yeah, so that is something like it's already. So we try to optimize for mobile as much as possible, and we will push that too. So that progressive web app, that is something so currently the whole app it's called SPA, single page application, and we have a 95 plus score in the Google Lighthouse. Okay, and so that is yeah, so it's kind of, it's already a, you can use that as a PWA, so you can just add that. But if there is something missing or anything, we will definitely improve that. But currently it's already Lighthouse score is 95 plus. So yeah, definitely. uh yeah. So Domini, our shortcodes are available. Shortcodes are it's kind of experimental phase. So that is something in the beginning of this video I told, like we will working on it with your theme compatibility, your page builders compatibility, so you can put your community into your theme, into a page or something. That is we will work on it. Uh, yeah, it's exciting. Thank you guys. Let me just me give you an update about the kind of the sales stat right now. So yeah, I think we're getting lots of traffic and everything. Okay, so it's now 46. So 50 when we'll yeah, it's 46 now. So I think we'll hit in 50 in a couple of minutes. I see lots of people in our analytics checkout page. Snippet of next release. So the next release, yeah, we could not get time to do the any sneak video or an article for our the last release. We just so the current version, that's the next the release. So that is something we improved a lot of things, because last 1 week we did not release an update, and we are waiting for this date and everything, and we supposed to release this update I think 2 weeks ago, and we had some security improvement. We hired a third party security consultant, and then we reviewed and everything, and we made sure all our everything is fine and you can use that on your production site, because we are also one of the biggest user. We don't want any security issues in our plugin. Okay. Hey Milan, thank you guys, thank you for all the help. You guys actually all the feedback and everything. I really appreciate. Just want to share, like, without the help of this beta tester, we could never build this product this fast, and this feature is. So yeah, thank you Milan, for everything. Yeah, I'm just pasting the link again here. So I think I can pin this message. Yeah, so you can. Yeah, I don't have to give that again and again. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Hey, Ruslan. I think it should work because we tested yesterday. But if it does not work with the multi-site version, just ping me on the community, and I will set up a call with you, and we'll see what's the problem, and we'll definitely want to make it compatible with multi-site. Social login for portal, definitely. So we have a plugin. We build a plugin for ourselves that is called fluent. So it's for a very lightweight security and authentication plugin. So if you have fluent, so it's not compatible right now. So basically in the end of this week, if you use that fluent auth, then you can actually, it has social login with, and you can use that social login with fluent community. We will also publish docs and everything, so you can use your own authentication plugin on everything with the authentication process. uh, so currently for the registering, for preventing spam, people cannot register without verifying their email address first. So when someone actually start registering, they have, so after give the first step, fill up all the form, hit next, then they will ask for, okay, give the 2FA code. We send a code to your email, paste that, then you will create that, we'll create the account. So that is something like we already implemented, but we will do that implementation again. Can we customize for GDPR in terms for sign up and login? Yeah, definitely. So that is something we'll give option, like agree to the terms and condition and everything. That is, we will kind of working on it. So that's kind of like the second layer of features for Fluent community. So the core features that we are super busy, and now we will do that. I am not sure about WP serve, but I will take a look. Hey, Mono. So the idea is actually that is something we will work on it. We it will be hard, like give the option, give the compatibility or every other plugin. So idea is actually if we can give an option, like you can embed your whole community in your WordPress page, part of your site, then you can actually make it work with any plugin. So for say another LMS or another thing, so that is something uh, that is something really that we are thinking. Yeah, let me give you another update about the sale, and I think we just hit 50 cells, and I think it's in 20 minutes. Yeah, so that is something my team just passed in me. So yeah, 50 cells in 25 minutes. That is super impressive. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it about everything. That is super awesome. Love it. uh, okay, so are you focusing on now or implementing already requested features, or are you looking for more suggestion? Yeah, so no need to give you suggestion right here. Here, give the suggestion or wait for tomorrow. We will have a public board, all the feature requests and everything. You can vote and everything. So you can give that tomorrow. I think this time directly, or you can you can post in the community. But I would suggest wait for tomorrow and give that to our board. That will help us to uh, really help us. Okay. Hey, Sebastian. Yeah, it's nice to see you here, man. Awesome. Okay. Okay, so again, yeah, how long? So this offer will be for 1 week. After 1 week, you can still buy the lifetime deals, and those will be like publicly available for everyone. And just the difference will be the license amount will be just half. So two site will be 1, 10 site 5, 30, 15, 100, 15. Uh, So yeah, the push notification. Hey, Danny. Yeah, nice to see you here. Uh, and yeah, so push notification is something like most probably that we want to work most probably next quarter. This year is almost done. So yeah, next quarter we want to work on that too. So guys, if you have any issue or anything, you can actually, the best way will be, open a support ticket, or you can, if you are, I think you already in our community, send me a direct message or post. I will get back to you. Yeah, webhook. So we have a question about the webhook. Yeah, definitely. We love a webhook. And basically, we want to do that. So the idea of webhook will be, so currently you can use some kind of webhook, like when someone, you know, join a community, you can actually run an automation with our Fluent CRM. We have a built-in integration. Okay, so you can send an welcome email after 1 week. You can upsell something like that. You can definitely do that currently, and we also for everything we want to do something like uh, yeah something like we want yeah something like you can create an webhook endpoint, and then from any other system like say Zapier or Make, whatever system you use, it will create a profile. It will add a in a space in a course. That is something we will have that. Yeah, so yeah, after the public launch you can use the affiliate link. So currently affiliate links are not supported, so that's kind of the public our beta users. So yeah, when we launch the public, then you can, so if you're an affiliate, you can actually, you will get an email from us like, okay, we are officially now it's affiliate. uh Hey Carl, yeah, I will inbox you. I will inbox you. After this meeting, then yeah. But I don't want to disclose publicly right now. But I will I'll send a message about them. They were in they are currently in enterprise space. They are not WordPress focused, but recently they started working on WordPress. They have lots of customers, like say in Fortune 500 companies even. So that the developer we are yeah. Yeah, if you guys don't know Carl here, he is one of the most resourceful person I know about GDPR compliance, privacy, and everything. And it's my honor to be a friend of Carl, and working with him in different things. Uh, yeah, hey Danny. So basically, I think when we release a product within on 2 weeks, all the third-party developers started integrated with us. So that is yeah, so that is something, I think they will definitely do that from their side. So those integrations should be from their side, but we will contact with them. Hey Rick, so basically, if you go to the admin panel, click on that little Fluent community, then you will see that a space to uh, put the license key. Or if you go to the dashboard, then it will show the notice to add that license key. Thank you, Rick. uh, yeah, so hey, Norman, so yeah, so that is something, I want to also talk about it. So the idea of our whole community thing is actually like make it super super fast. And for the community, if you use the community, you will see that when you go to a course, then people don't have to, those that page never reload, so it will be just a like desktop type application. People just click that, they will go to the lesson, click next, it instantly within millisecond it loads the next lesson. So that is something, we could build, because when we will give option for the elementor and everything, that the feature we will lose. And that of the reason we did not integrate, we don't allow to edit the content with elementor on everything. So currently we have like Gutenberg, uh, a simplified version of Gutenberg that we use, and that's why it's super fast. I'm not sure if you ever integrate with Elementor or not, but I don't know. Maybe later, but not right now. We don't have any plan. Yeah, so that is something, we also think like we will also have a non-branded, like a general purpose app, where you can, if you don't need a white level app, like say let's say for Circle, in Circle you can download the Circle app and you can browse that. So that is a app that we may have, that people who don't need a white label app, they can use that app. So that is something we will have. Hey Jeremy, yeah, nice to see you here. Thank you so much. Yeah, yeah, exactly, like that. But if a brand requires a white label, they have to build that with the third party developers and everything. So currently, Fluent Community is integrated with only Fluent CRM, but we have other products. Let's say we have Fluent Support, Fluent Forms, everything, Fluent Booking. So Fluent Booking, I think Fluent Booking will be the kind of the second plugin that will be integrated within Fluent Community plugin. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Friend booking equal to event. So that's the our plan actually. So in the we definitely want the event type in our like friend community. Like today morning, I was really missing this event functionality, because if I could create an event in our friend community, I could create that event in the community, and you guys just click on the I will attend RSVP, and then we could do that. And we could not do that. We had to share the link of this live stream in the community. Yeah, so that is something like I really want, like event feature with Fluent Booking, because we already Fluent Booking is so feature rich, and we want to integrate that with the Fluent Booking. uh, okay, it's a nice question, super interesting question. Like, do you have any migration tool for let's say BuddyPress or BuddyBoss, something like that? Yes, our one of our developer is working for last 1 week to figure out everything, how we will manage data, map that data and move that efficiently, something like that. So most probably end of this month we will have that feature. So with a single click you can move all your groups, all your users, all the comments, activities, post to Fluent Community. And that is something we are actively working on it. Yeah, so we have a we have a developer doc, something I will share after the lecture in the community, that we will actually uh, share the docs. I think we have already a doc I shared 3 weeks ago in the community, but there we don't have the all the hooks, filters, there. But I will update that doc, and by tomorrow I will share it with you guys. Okay, so yeah, hey Jonathan, I'm really sorry about it. Like your that will be expired tomorrow. Don't worry, I will fix that. No problem. Yeah, but let me just take a look right now. So yeah, I should see the lifetime. Yeah, it's lifetime. Okay. Uh, yeah, don't worry guys, if you have any problem with the license or activation and everything, you know we will take a look and fix that. Yeah, I think I got it. I think I think you purchased the 10 sites lifetime license, and I think that was the we give the checkbox. uh do that. I'll check all the purchases and see if there is everything is right or not. Okay. Okay, I think. Okay, any new question? Okay, LTD limited tomorrow deal. Uh, hey Manoj, I will send you a message about this. So yeah, so guys, thank you so much. I think we are over 1 hour of this lifetime deal. So there has, I think I should answer all the questions, and also the team is waiting for me. We have a pizza party, so I should go and eat some pizza with the team, and I'll get back to you soon, and I will, if there has any purchase related issue, licensing issue, we'll fix that. Yeah, thank you so much for patient. And if you have uh, any issue, I will solve that, and after solved, then I will go to bed. So don't worry, I will be on the community, next 6-7 hours. So yeah, see you guys. Thank you so much. Before I go, let me just give you an update of the current sales number. Okay, so now we just crossed 60 sales, and in like half for 35 minutes or 40 minutes, something like that. Yeah, thank you so much. Pizza party live. Let's, yeah, yeah. Do you have the pizza delivered? Yeah, let's do the pizza party live. Okay. Uh, okay. So yeah, guys, we are going to do the pizza party right now. Uh, and yeah, thank you so much, guys. Okay, let's have it. Yeah, we'll just get it one pizza here. Okay, so yeah, you guys take it.
Celebration.
Sorry, guys, I can't share the pizza with you guys, but thank you so much. And yeah, see you guys in the community. I'll be there for next 5 6 hours. I promise I will solve all the problems with the pattern and everything. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll have more content soon. Yeah. I will see you in the community in 10 minutes. Okay. Bye bye. Okay.
Hell to the Fluent community. Yo!